Graduates, I hope you have grasped some message and insights from the message of our school's division superintendent. At this time, ladies and gentlemen, let us listen to the words of gratitude by one of our academic excellence awardees with high honors from the special science class, Zyle Walter Mabini. A big hand, please.
To our school's division superintendent, Dr. Nimpa D. Bongo, and to her authorized representative, Dr. Daisy S. Rico, the education program supervisor for kindergarten and special education program, to our public schools district supervisor, Mr. Roy Marie, to our school principal 4, Dr. Florifine S. Navarro, to our assistant principal, Mrs. Daffodil C. Wayan, to our barangay officials headed by the barangay captain, Honorable Apple Rosio Casa Enriquez, to our SPTA officers headed by the SPTA president, Honorable Richard Pangilinan, to our president of the Guadalupe's Alumni Association, Mrs. Lorna Labra Ubot, and with the DRRM coordinator, Dr. Maria Rosa D. Punay, to the non-teaching personals, guests, teachers, parents, and fellow graduates, good afternoon. First and foremost, we give all praise and thanks to God Almighty, whose guidance and grace have brought us to this meaningful moment. Without His strength and light, this journey would not have been possible. He has been our constant source of courage, wisdom, and hope throughout this path. We are also deeply grateful for the gift of the people He has placed in our lives. Our families, our teachers, and our friends, whose steadfast love, support, and belief in us have been invaluable. We are also filled with gratitude to our families, especially to our parents and guardians, and to those who have stood in the role of our parents. Your endless support, love, and encouragement had carried us through challenges and victories. You've made countless sacrifices, often putting your own needs aside, working hard day and night just to give us a better future. We are deeply grateful for all that you've done to help us reach this moment. We hope that our achievements and growth have made you proud, and we are deeply grateful that we've been able to bring joy to your hearts as you watch us today. Thank you for believing in us and for always standing by our side. And to our teachers, thank you for your guidance, patience, and dedication. You teach us with heart and passion, beyond your sleepless nights and your personal sacrifices. Your commitment in shaping our minds and hearts has not only helped us learn, but has inspired us to be better, to aim higher, and to carry forward the lessons you instilled in us. Thank you for being the teachers that we need. You've taught us to know to dream, to persevere, and to never give up no matter the obstacles. Your impact extends beyond the classroom, shaping the way we approach life. And for that, we are eternally grateful. And to everyone who has cheered us on, our friends, classmates, and schoolmates, your support has made this journey even brighter and more meaningful. Your encouragement has been a constant light, motivating us to do our best and to never lose hope. In every kind of gesture, every tap on the back, every inspiring word, or every heartfelt smile, you've made this experience unforgettable. Together, we have created memories that will last for a lifetime. And for that, we are deeply grateful. You have made this journey more than just academic. You have made it a shared adventure. As we look ahead, we do so with hearts full of hope and a strong sense of purpose. We are committed to carrying the lessons we've learned with dedication, compassion, and excellence. We will strive to make our alma mater proud by using the knowledge and values we've gained. We will continue to embody the qualities of leadership, kindness, and perseverance, always pushing ourselves to be better, just as you have all pushed us to be our best. Congratulations, batch 2024-2025. Congratulations also to the parents and congratulations teachers. We hope to make you proud and be the best that we can be in the future, not just for ourselves, but to also pay forward and to inspire the next generation, just as you have inspired us. Once again, thank you and a pleasant afternoon to everyone.
Thank you very much, Zyle. At this point, ladies and gentlemen, let's listen as the graduates do their pledge of loyalty to their alma mater. This is to be led by our graduate with high honors from the regular class, Vince Yuan Sabat.